Alright, number 2, and my last probably, so we can go to your favorite indicator use, Sir Jem. Pareho tayo, Sir Jem. I'm also using exponential moving average. So pareho tayo. Kasi si EMA or exponential moving average is your dynamic support and resistance. So ibig sabihin nito, okay? Ibig sabihin nito, dynamic siya, nagbabago siya based on the number of candles na gagamitin mong number. So kanina tinanong natin si Sir Jem, ano ba yung gustong-gusto niya? 9 EMA 9. Bakit EMA 9? Gusto niya makita kaagad yung progression ng past 9 days.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Ng past 9 days. Okay? So, bakit maganda si moving average? Kasi nga dynamic siya. Let's go back to GBP. Alright. So, katulad nito. Yan. Moving averages. In moving averages, marami yan. Alam naman siguro to. And by the way, meron din to si Shadow. May moving averages din siya. Okay. So, marami yang inputs. Pwedeng 5, 10, 20, 50, 150, 100. Ang tawag dito, mga international traders is using a different, pwedeng 9, 10, 25, 35, 150, 100. Standard can be like 10, 20, 50. So, may iba-iba.